Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at some floor tile that the company did send me and to compensate me to make a quick review and show you a little bit about this. Now this tile comes in a box. This is 48 square feet. That means there's 48 1-foot tiles in this box. Quite heavy, quite good quality. Take a quick look at this design I chose. There's a bunch of designs on their site, so take a look at them. They all have different designs, different colors, which is really important, really cool. What these here are basically self-adhesive tiles. So if you're looking to do your floor over, something like this you're going to need is very interesting. This is like a marble design. Again, they have all different designs. This is a 1-foot square tile, fairly thick, pliable, thick. It's water resistant, easy cleanup, self-adhesive. Now this is the secret, guys. Self-adhesive with no residue if you want to remove it and change it in the future. So if you have a rental property or if you have a bathroom that you're looking to do over maybe a couple different times, you weren't sure, different colors, here you just pull this off. It's sticky, but not super sticky, just enough to stick on, but enough to remove at the same time, which is really nice. I like that quite a bit. Easy to apply, easy to use. You basically just put them together and just lay it out. You can't go wrong. It's got the marbling look, so there's no real, you don't have to really follow a specific pattern. If you want to, if you want to, but I think at random looks really kind of cool. I have my bathroom, just putting it down, just to give you an example of what it looks like before and after. Let's do a quick cutaway. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so you can see here, here's my bathroom. It's a small bathroom with this tile floor. This is the old-fashioned tile octagon. These are all old-fashioned yellow tiles. And what you want to do is I want to just change it to this look here. Again, super easy to do, super simple. So make sure you wash your floor down and clean it first. That's the first thing you really want to do. Make sure it's a clean surface you're dealing with. That way when you stick it, it's going to stay down exactly where you put it. Okay, so you can see how I'm kind of laying it down a little bit. Just a pattern. I'm trying to lay it down and just get an idea of how it looks. And that's what I would suggest doing first, just to make sure you get the right look and see how you want it to lay down on your floor. But it's super easy. Like I said, you just take it here, you peel the back off here, and you just put it in place where you want it to be. And you just keep doing the floor over and over, and you get this really cool look. Now, this is a quick little before and after. Really easy, really super simple to install yourself. This is the before, this is the after. And let's do a quick cutaway. I'm going to show you how the bathroom looks when I just finished laying it all out. Do a quick photo. We're going to show you that. But really nice. Definitely love this for sure. Okay, here's more of an example. I just have it permanently. I just want to lay it down and just show you what it looks like. This is kind of how it's going to go. You got to make it cuts. Make sure you take your time. About 50 square feet is more than enough for any small space. You could just see how awesome that's coming out. Really good. And let's take a look at the finish. Okay guys, you can see here it's all finished. It looks really fantastic. Once you get those cuts down and everything laid out and together, it just really went together really easy. Again, you can pull it off, take it on, move it around. It doesn't permanently stick. It just sticks really good, and that's really important. So if you want to remove it, you can. So don't be afraid. Give it a shot. Do it yourself. Really easy DIY. Go ahead and purchase that. I recommend it for sure. If you enjoy this type of content, if you enjoy this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Hope you enjoyed this quick review about this tile. Again, you can put this anywhere you want, any bathroom, any floor, kitchen, on your stairs, treads, anything, any way at all that you want to stick this, it's gonna work. Definitely go ahead and purchase it. I love it. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. See you at the next review.